Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating chapter of human history, how farming spread through Europe and the surprising role women played in this transformation. Over 40,000 years ago, humans relied heavily on hunting and gathering for survival. But around 9,000 years ago, a groundbreaking shift began from the Anatolian region, leading to a wave of agricultural expansion across Europe. This shift didn't just change diets, it altered the very fabric of European cultures. As farming cultures like the Corded Ware culture emerged, originating from the Russian plains, they began to influence the cultural and genetic landscape of Europe. Interestingly, the genetic makeup of Europeans today has roots that trace back to these early farmers. However, recent research shows that the story is more complex than previously thought. By analyzing ancient DNA, scientists have discovered that the first European farmers initially had limited interaction with the local hunter-gatherers. This isolation meant they retained genetic traits from their Anatolian ancestors. But over 1 or 2 millennia, this changed significantly. The once isolated farmers began to intermix with the local populations, increasing the percentage of hunter-gatherer ancestry in their DNA from 10 to as much as 40% in some regions. This genetic exchange wasn't uniform across Europe. In places like Belgium and the Netherlands, half of the genetic contribution of populations from the Neolithic era came from local hunters, while the other half was Anatolian. A fascinating discovery was the predominance of Anatolian mitochondrial DNA, passed down maternally, indicating that women were pivotal in bridging farming knowledge to hunter communities. This aligns with theories from the 1980s, suggesting that the merging of farmers and hunters wasn't just biological but social, facilitated through marriages and trade alliances. Around 4,600 years ago, a new migratory wave from the Russian plains introduced the bell-beaker culture to the Rhine and Meuse valleys. This migration significantly altered the genetic identity of the local peoples, with up to 80% of their ancestry linked back to these new arrivals. The bell-beaker culture didn't just impact mainland Europe, its influence reached Britain, nearly erasing existing agricultural societies that constructed landmarks like Stonehenge. These findings offer a more nuanced understanding of how agriculture spread in ancient Europe and highlight the crucial role women played in this transformative era. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing science stories.